Hey guys, Jordan here with Rome Rifles. We're going to do a corrosion test. I've had a lot of customers ask questions. How does the magnesium hold up? What do I do if I lose wear through the coating? Isn't magnesium going to just waste away? So we're trying to address that here. What we've got for this plan for this test here is more of a comparative test between other components you're going to find on your rifle. We've got a black nitride AR-15 bolt carrier group, the whole assembly, variety of different steels, all with the same coating, and then we've got one of our magnesium upper receivers, forged magnesium AR-15 mil-spec upper receiver with one of our magnesium alloys. So we're going to put these through an accelerated corrosion test with vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, and salt, and do a time lapse, see how long these go, and stop and compare as they corrode through the test, and then we'll come back at the end and show some close-ups and try and discuss what happened and how they fared. So stay tuned, and we'll get to see how these do.
Okay, we are stopping here at the 24-hour mark. As you can see on the black nitride bolt carrier group, we are having rust start to form on the surface of the carrier. You can see that spilling into the liquid mixture, and then the Rome part still looks good. There is standing liquid on top of it, but no signs of corrosion. Okay, 34 hours in, as you can see on the bolt carrier, there is still rust forming. It's going to be getting deeper, and as you can see, the liquid is continuing to take on that rusty orange color. As for the Rome part, you can still see that there is liquid on the surface of the upper receiver, but it is not starting to break into that coating yet. Okay, 44 hours in, the steel part now has heavy corrosion and some deep pitting taking place. As you can see, that liquid is taking a much darker color due to the sheer amount of metal coming off of the part. The Rome receiver is still doing good. As you can see, there is some salt buildup starting to form from the mixture on top of the part, but still no signs of corrosion. Okay, now at the 54-hour mark, you can see the bolt carrier side is taking a much darker color to the liquid. Still a lot of rust forming on the surface of the carrier, as well as deeper pitting going on, whereas the Rome part, still just some surface salt and surface liquid, yet no clear signs of any sort of deep corrosion.
All right, we finished our corrosion test for these parts, so we can take a look in a little bit more detail here. We've got our standard black nitride finish carrier and our magnesium cerakoted and Tagnite upper receiver. On the surface, pretty obvious to see what's happened here. The steel's pretty much destroyed. You can't cam this at all. It's totally seized up. Pretty much all of the steel components, except for maybe the firing pin with the hard chrome, are totally destroyed. Deep pitting. Coming over here to the magnesium part, our upper receiver, we do have some damage. All in all, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. We've got some damage where the solution was able to stagnate and pile up on the inside here. We show you some close-ups of that. But the outsides, it's discolored, but it's pretty good looking. Again, this is a pretty aggressive test. We're trying to accelerate what would happen in the elements over years of time with pretty poor care of your components of your rifle. So all in all, I think the results speak for themselves. Again, it's really just trying to demonstrate the limiting aspect of your rifle is still going to be your steel components. So take care of your rifle, keep it dry, keep it oiled, keep it clean, and the parts, steel and magnesium, will last you a very long time.